Hey friends, this is Nalani, your personal Cinder and Sky stylist. I've been getting this question a lot. How much does it cost to start Cinder and Sky, right? And what do you get for that price? So I wanted to jump on and share that information with you guys today. So Cinder and Sky costs $129. That's the basic starter kit. Or you can do a more deluxe starter kit that's $299. 12 wraps, full wraps, as well as 72 samples and a whole bunch of brochures and nail polish remover and alcohol prep pads and nail files, like the whole shebang. So for $129, you get a lot. You also get the website for free for 6 months. So that's kind of really cool because that's what you want to send your customers to get sales or to get a new team member. It's just totally wonderful that Cinder and Sky does that. With the $299 kit, you get 28 full sets, plus all the promotional materials and everything you're going to need to kind of rock your business. And come do this business with me. This business is so much fun. Who doesn't want cute nails and to promote cute nails all the time? I mean, it's just so much fun. Well, that's it, friends. If you thought that this video was helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please give me a thumbs up because you do not want to miss out on more Cinder and Sky videos that are coming your way. Bye, friends. I love so much.